Hi everyone, my name is Elena and you're watching Marvelous Designer Tool by Tool tutorial part 16. So let's begin. Today I'm going to talk about a Topstitch tool that you can find it on the 2D pattern window. As you see, we have four options here: edit Topstitch, its shortcut it's J, segment Topstitch, K, free Topstitch, L, and a seamline Topstitch that has a quotation that I don't know, maybe point comma. So the first thing that I'm going to say that for every Topstitch you need a line. It doesn't matter if it's an outline or internal line, but in this case, for my first example, I'm going to make an internal line. Now, first thing, there is a segment Topstitch or K. This is the simplest one because as soon as you select it, everywhere you go you can just click and have a Topstitch. Where you see the fabric, you can click on this icon beside it, and I'm going to choose Topstitch. For assigning a particular Topstitch to your Topstitch, first you choose edit Topstitch, you click on it, and then you can assign it. First I'm going to assign it to a default one that usually are at the simplest type of Topstitch. This was the segment Topstitch. You can apply it on every line that you have, and it's easy. Then for deleting your Topstitch, you can press J, click on it, and then or right click and delete, or you click on it and delete on the keyboard. Okay, the next one is, can I put it, don't escape please. Oh, okay, let's see. Okay, there was this combat. Okay, the next one is the free. For example, I'm going to do this for creativity. Sometimes you like to have a design and make a Topstitch on it. So, or I can do double click here with my free Topstitch, and it covers all over my shape. Or with my free Topstitch, I can sew how much I want. Just right now I wanted just this part. And then after these two options, we have seamline Topstitch that belongs to seam lines, for example, because it is symmetric. If I choose just a little bit of this part, as you see, it is symmetric. That's why you may need it. You just can choose it on where you already have sewn. You can apply this seamline Topstitch, and then you can delete it. So let's say some basic things. For example, if I click with my edit Topstitch tool, I click on my Topstitch here on a property editor. I can flip it. It can be in this side or the other side of my line. And then, okay, I usually don't touch this part because also I can do it here. So if I've assigned my Topstitch to this, I can click on it. Then let's see what I have in my property editor. Here I can name it. I can name it Elena. Evelina. The offset is the distance between your Topstitch to the line. For example, if I want it 34. And then the type, obj or texture. Okay, texture is better because it makes your file lighter if you're going to use lots of top stitches. And then there is the shape. As you see, you can choose zigzag, everything. Custom. I want, what was that, single? Here the length of every bit, like I wanted less, like 5. Now they are smaller, and I don't want them to be attached this much, so I say one another 5. The thickness, I wanted less. And then here you can have the material. It already has one, has a texture. You can say if you want it from glass, metal, plastic, everything, or you want it shiny. This is for the material part, and the color, opacity, reflection. And this is the part that I'm going to explain it. If I hide my character, if I say I want it on both parts of my fabric, or that here is called face, I can have my top stitches also on the back part. Maybe I just want it on the back part, so I have it here, but I don't have it here, or just the front. Then you have the number of lines. For example, I want 2, and also the distance between these 2 lines. It's based on inches. I don't know inches. And then also again the space. Okay, it's too much. And I think I told you everything. Edit, let me see, assigned. And I think that's it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.